told you that most Americans could get a larger tax refund, sometimes hundreds or even thousands of dollars more just by knowing which boxes to check. No shady tricks, no gray areas. Just legal strategies that the tax code literally offers you and that most people simply don't know about. Let's change that today. Welcome to TaxMerica.co's YouTube channel. I'm Sharon and today we are getting into one of the most requested topics we get. How do you legally maximize your tax refund? We're covering the difference between deductions and credits and why it matters. The top above the line deductions everyone should claim, often miss credits that put real money back into your pocket, smart moves to make before December 31st, and a step-by-step refund maximization checklist you can use right now. Let's get into it. Deductions explained. A tax deduction reduces your taxable income. So, if you earn $60,000 and have $10,000 in your deductions, you're only taxed on $50,000. The value of a deduction depends on your tax bracket. If you're in the 22% bracket, a $1,000 deduction saves you $220 in taxes. Useful, but not as powerful as a credit. Credits explain. A tax credit reduces your actual tax bill dollar for dollar. A $1,000 credit saves you exactly $1,000, regardless of your bracket. Some credits are even refundable, meaning if the credit exceeds what you owe, the IRS sends you the difference as a refund. Refundable credits are the most powerful tool in the tax code for lower to middle income filers. Example, you owe $800 in taxes, you claim a $1,500 refundable credit. You get a $700 refund, even though you didn't overpay anything during the year. That's the power of refundable credits. Which should you focus on? Always exhaust your credit opportunities first. Then look at deductions. And within deductions, prioritize above the line deductions. Those you can claim without itemizing because they're available to everyone regardless of how you file. What are above the line deductions? Above the line deductions reduce your adjusted gross income, your AGI, before you even get to the standard or itemized deduction. This is huge because a lower AGI can also unlock eligibility for other credits and deductions that have income phase-outs. These deductions are available whether you take the standard deduction or itemize. Key above the line deductions. Student loan interest. Deduct up to $2,500 in student loan interest paid during the year. Phase-out begins at $75,000 for single filers, $155,000 for married filing jointly in 2024. You will receive a Form 1098E from your loan servicer showing how much interest you paid. IRA contributions. Contributing to a traditional IRA can be deductible depending on your income and whether you have a workplace retirement plan. For 2024, $7,000 limit, $8,000 if you're 50 or older. You have until the tax filing deadline, April 15, 2025, to make 2024 IRA contributions. This is one of the last minute moves that you can still reduce this year's taxes. Self-employed health insurance. If you're self-employed and pay your own health insurance premiums, 100% of those premiums are deductible as an above-the-line deduction. This includes dental and vision coverage and coverage for your family. HSA contributions. Health saving account contributions are deductible above the line. For 2024, $4,150 for self-only coverage, $8,300 for family coverage, plus $1,000 catch-up if you're 55 plus. HSA funds roll over. They never expire. This is essentially a medical retirement account. If your divorce was finalized before January 1, 2019, alimony payments may still be deductible for the payer. Post-2018 divorce agreements no longer allow this deduction. Educator expenses. K-12 teachers and educators can deduct up to $300 in unreimbursed classroom expenses. Small, but it's yours and it's above the line. Retirement contribution strategies. This is where the biggest refund maximization opportunities live for most working Americans. Let's break down your options. 401k and 403b contributions are made pre-tax directly from your paycheck. The 2024 limit is $23,000 plus $7,500 catch up if you're 50 plus. Every dollar you contribute reduces your W2 box 1 income, automatically reducing your tax bill. If your employer offers a match, contribute at least enough to get the full match. That's an instant 50 to 100% return on your contribution. Traditional IRA, contributions may be deductible even if they aren't due to income limits. A non-deductible IRA contribution creates a basis that reduces future taxes, and you can still convert to a Roth for future tax-free growth. SEP IRA for the self-employed. Contribute up to 25% of net self-employment income. Max $69,000 for 2024. One of the most powerful tax reduction tools available. A self-employed person earning $120,000 could contribute $20,000 to a SEP IRA, reducing taxable income dramatically. Here is a pro tip. You have until April 15, 2025 to make IRA contributions for tax year 2024. You file an extension, you have until October 15, 2025 to make SEP IRA contributions. Use this window. Credit overview. Now, let's talk about the credits that can genuinely transform your refund. These are often underutilized because people either don't know about them or assume they don't qualify. Let's go through each one. Family and child credits. Child tax credit. Up to $2,000 per qualifying child under 17. Income phase out starts at $200,000 single and $400,000 married filing jointly. Up to $1,600 per child is refundable through the additional child tax credit, meaning you can receive it even if your tax liability is zero. Child and dependent care credit. If you pay for child care, after school programs, or care for a dependent adult so you can work, you can claim 20 to 35% of up to $3,000 in expenses for one child, up to $6,000 for two or more. This is non-refundable but can significantly reduce your tax bill. Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC. One of the most generous credits in the tax code and one of the most missed. For 2024, the maximum EITC is $7,830 for 3 or more children. Even workers without children can claim up to $632. Income limits, $56,838, single with 3 kids. $63,398, married filing jointly with 3 kids. The credit phases out as income rises. Always check your eligibility every year. Here is a pro tip. The IRS estimates that 1 in 5 eligible taxpayers doesn't claim the EITC. That's billions of dollars left unclaimed every year. If you earn under $63,398 in 2024, check your eligibility at irs.gov/EITC. Education credits. American Opportunity Tax Credit, AOTC. Worth up to $2,500 per student for the first 4 years of higher education. 40% is refundable, so up to $1,000 back even if you owe nothing. You need Form 1098-T from the school. Income phase out starts at $80,000 single, $160,000 married. Lifetime Learning Credit. Worth up to $2,000 per tax for any qualifying education. College, graduate school, professional courses, vocational training. No limit on years. Income phase out starts at $80,000 single, $160,000 married. Non-refundable but can zero out your tax bill. Energy credits. Residential Clean Energy Credit. If you install solar panels, solar water heaters, wind turbines, or geothermal heat pumps in 2024, you can claim 30% of the cost as a credit. No maximum limit. This can be worth thousands and carries over to future years if it exceeds your tax liability. Energy efficient home improvement credit. Up to $3,200 per year for qualifying improvements. Insulation, windows, doors, heat, pumps, water heaters. This is an annual credit. You can claim it every year you make qualifying improvements. Retirement savings credit, savers credit. This is the most underutilized credit in the entire tax code. If you contribute to a retirement account and your income is below certain limits, you get an additional credit on top of the deduction. For 2024, up to 50% credit on the first $2,000 contributed, max credit $1,000, $2,000 if married, income limits $36,500 single, $73,000 married. If you qualify and you're not claiming this, you're leaving money on the table. December 31st is your deadline. Most tax moves must be completed by December 31st of the tax year to be counted. The window is closing fast each year. Here's your end of year checklist to maximize next year's refund starting now. Action items. Maximize your 401k contribution before your last paycheck of the year. Even bumping contributions for 1 or 2 months can meaningfully reduce your taxable income. Make charitable donations before December 31st. Cash, checks, and credit card charges must clear by year-end. Non-cash donations must be physically delivered. Harvest tax losses if in your investment accounts. If you have losing positions in a taxable brokerage account, selling them before year-end generates a capital loss that offsets capital gains, or up to $3,000 of ordinary income. Beware the 30-day wash sale rule. Pay deductible expenses early. If you're itemizing, consider paying January's mortgage in late December to include an extra month of mortgage interest in the current year. Contribute to your HSA before April 15. Unlike most tax moves, HSA contributions for 2024 can be made until the filing deadline. Review your W-4 withholding. If you consistently owe at tax time, increase withholding. If you consistently get a large refund and would prefer more cash monthly, reduce withholding. The IRS withholding estimator at irs.gov makes this simple. Self-employed, make your fourth quarter estimated tax payment by January 15 and consider prepaying business expenses before December 31st to accelerate deductions. The IRA window. Remember, traditional and Roth IRA contributions for tax year 2024 can be made up until April 15, 2025. This is your last chance to put money in and still have it count for this year's taxes. If you can contribute $500, $1,000 or the full $7,000, do it before that deadline. Your action checklist. Here's your taxmerica.co refund maximization checklist. Screenshot this or save the video. Claim all above the line deductions, student loan interest, IRA contributions, HSA, self-employed health insurance, educator expenses, verify credit eligibility, AITC, child tax credit, AOTC, lifetime learning, savers credit, energy credits. Maximize retirement contributions, 401k by December 31st, IRA by April 15. Document all charitable donations with receipts and acknowledgement letters. Review your filing status. Are you claiming the most beneficial status available? Check for dependents you may have overlooked, elderly parents, college students, qualifying relatives. Work with a tax professional to catch what software misses. A bigger refund isn't about luck. It's about knowing the rules. And now you do. At taxmerica.co, we specialize in funding every legal dollar our clients are owed. We are currently booking new clients for the 2025 tax season. Visit taxmerica.co to schedule your free consultation. Links are in the description. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for weekly tax tips, and I'll see you in the next one. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe for weekly tax tips. Drop your questions in the comments. We read every one. Book a free 15-minute tax consultation at taxmerica.ca, and we will let our experts handle your taxes stress-free this season. Thank you.